Hey, I'm Gerard from Serial 9, and today we're going to talk about the Rein Hydro e-brakes. So there's a whole bunch of different e-brakes on the market currently. A lot of them are very similar, and we wanted to come up with something unique, something new, and something kind of cool. So we came up with this design. It's a tubular handle, extruded base, super low. Uses a Wilwood master cylinder, pretty common, available anywhere in the world. One thing we wanted is it's highly adjustable, and it's really strong, and just kind of has a nice feel. It's super smooth. It's like a normal handle feel, not like a weird machined piece or something. Yeah, so it comes in both configurations, vertical and horizontal. And yeah, we've been testing in our cars for over a year and a half, and they're great. Excellent feel, no play, rebuildable, easy to service, easy to install. Yeah. All right, so what comes in the box is the handle itself. There's a remote reservoir that you can mount somewhere convenient for you, either in the engine bay or under the dash. The hose to connect it, a couple of clamps, some hardware, and a hero card. The Rein Hydro features line of sight mounting for all the bolts. Very easily accessible from the top via an Allen key. No more disassembling your whole handbrake just to pull it out for a little bit of service or if you're working on your car. The front has slots, so it's easily and quickly removable. You don't have to unbolt the whole thing. Simply the two bolts and loosen the front ones and you're good to go. Okay, so we offer two different mounting solutions for the Hydro. The first one is the 1/8 inch thick, sort of a freestyle bracket. It has all these contours and slits in it, so you can bend it down, you can cut it, you can drill it. Generally for guys wanting to mount on top of the tunnel, this is the solution. Anybody that wants to mount sort of off the side of the tunnel, or like a really strong single plane mounting, we have a 1/4 inch bracket. It's really heavy duty, and this is what I use in my Aristo. It's just off the side of the tunnel, welded kind of onto a flange, and I just have two little struts that go down to make it really, really secure. And I've been using that for over a year and a half, and it's great. So, all Serial 9 products come with super high quality hardware, and the Rein Hydro is no exception. This comes with 10.9 grade metric hardware. This is a socket head rounded bolt and a JIS flange nut. The angle of the handle can easily be adjusted with just a 4mm Allen key and a 12mm wrench. The nut's easily accessible through the side or the top. All right, so I hope you liked our video and it helps you make a decision onto your next e-brake. Check us out, serial9.com or @serial9 on Instagram.